Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable or how to install the Hyper-V role in server 2016. Right, so I'll show you step by step how you can enable, how you can install the Hyper-V roles in the uh, Windows Server 2016. But before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user and if you have not subscribed yet to my channel IT Parivar, so please subscribe just to motivate me, just to support me. That will be free of cost for you, right? And click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Let's start now. Let me jump on the my 2016 server. So you can see this is server manager, and to open this we have to click on the start menu and then click here on the server manager, right? If you are using 2016, okay. To add the or to enable the Hyper-V, you have to click on the add roles and features. So your server manager will be open here like this, okay. If you want, you can click on the manage and add roles and features. You can continue from here also. Otherwise you can click here, add roles and features. Next, role and feature based installation, click next. dc.itparivar.local and the IP is this. So this is my DC server. Actually, this is my domain controller, and I'm going to enable the Hyper-V on this server only. I'm going to click here next. You can see there is a one option, Hyper-V, so you have to select and click on the add features, and then click on the next, again next, next, and here it is asking to select the network adapter, right? On this computer, on this server, there is only one adapter enabled for now, so I'm going to select this and click on the next. Hyper-V can be configured to send and receive live migration of virtual machines on this server. Configuring Hyper-V none now enable any available network on this server to be used for migrations. So basically this is the part of Hyper-V configuration. But for now, just we are going to enable the Hyper-V role, Hyper-V feature on this. So I'm going to click next. Here it is asking the location where the virtual machine's hard disks will be saved, right? If you want, you can browse, and as per your requirement, you can select the uh, virtual machine's hard disk location, right? For now, I'm going to cancel here, and I'm going with the default option, but you should change it and any other drive if you have D drive or if any shared folder, right? So I'm going to click on next. Here you can see to install the following roles or features, select server, click install. I'm going to click here on the install, but the restart is required for this. So either if we'll select this option, restart the destination server automatically if required, and click on the install, or we can install it and later on we can reboot the server once the Hyper-V roles will be installed. It will take some time, so I think we need to wait for a few minutes, for 1 to 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so just I want to describe here a few things, like if you are going to enable Hyper-V, so I think definitely the requirement is clear to you, like why Hyper-V needs to be enabled on the server, right? Because once you will enable the Hyper-V, you can create multiple virtual machines, right? You can see now feature installation or start spending on this dc.idparivar.local, which is the same server. You must restart the destination server to finish the installation, okay? For now I'm going to close this, and here the notification you can see, need to restart this server to complete the installation, right? So I'll install I will restart the this server, but you have to follow the same process to enable the Hyper-V, right? You can see here Hyper-V is role is showing here, and it is showing like online restart is pending. Now if we'll check here, if any option like Hyper-V manager or something is saying or not, so you can see there is no Hyper-V option here, right? So once you will install, once you will restart the server after installing the role, you will find here the Hyper-V manager option. So once you will click the Hyper-V click on the Hyper-V, then Hyper-V manager will be manager console will be open, and you can create multiple virtual machines, or as per your requirement you can create the machines in Hyper-V, right? So guys, I am going to restart, but it will take some time. So I think it's clear now how you can enable the Hyper-V, because you have to follow the same process, right? And once the server will be restarted, you have to click on the tools. Let me show you again here. Tools, I'm in here. Once you'll open the server manager, tools, and then here the option will be Hyper-V manager. From there you can open the Hyper-V manager console and create the new virtual machines in the Hyper-V. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Again, I request you to please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. If you have any query, just leave your comment. Thank you. Bye bye.